In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Play error 492. If you're seeing this error while trying to download or update an app from the Google Play Store, don't worry. This is a fairly common issue, and in many cases, it's caused by temporary app data, a Play Store glitch, or a sync problem with your Google account. In this guide, I'll walk you through the main fixes in a simple and practical way. To begin, one of the most effective solutions is clearing the cache and data for both the Google Play Store and Google Play services. These two apps work together to handle downloads, updates, and app verification. If stored data becomes corrupted, it can trigger errors like 492. Open the Settings app on your Android device, then go to the section where your apps are listed. Depending on your phone, this may be called Apps, App Management, or Applications. From there, find Google Play Store. Open it, go into Storage, and clear the cache. After that, clear the data as well, then go back, find Google Play Services, and repeat the same process. This helps refresh the background components that support the Play Store. Once that's done, try opening Google Play again and see if the error is gone. If the problem continues, the next thing to try is uninstalling updates for the Google Play Store. This won't remove the app completely since it's a system app, but it will roll it back to its original version. Sometimes a recent update can cause conflicts, and resetting it can solve the issue. To do this, go back into Settings, open the Google Play Store app page again, and look for the option to uninstall updates. It may appear under a menu icon in the top corner. Confirm the action, then reopen the Play Store and give it a moment to update itself again automatically. After that, test your download or app update one more time. If you're still getting error 492, another option is to remove and then restore your Google account on the device. This can refresh account sync and resolve authentication or download-related issues connected to the Play Store. Go into Settings, open the Accounts section, and select your Google account. Remove it from the device, then restart your phone if needed. After that, go back to Accounts and add the same Google account again. Once your account is restored, open the Play Store and check whether the issue has been fixed. Those are the main methods to fix Google Play error 492. In most cases, one of these will get the Play Store working normally again.